Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So coming up with YouTube videos, ideas can feel like a full-time job. But what if I told you that you could brainstorm unlimited content ideas in minutes and even tailor them for your niche? So in this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to generate smart, creative, and viral YouTube ideas fast. So let's get into it. So ChatGPT isn't just an AI. It's your creative assistant. And whether you're stuck in a content rut or just starting out, this tool can help you brainstorm videos, titles, hooks, formats, and even scripts. So without wasting hours on Google or YouTube search, this will give you the best output. So let me walk you through the prompts that you're going to use to make sure that you come up with the best output using your ChatGPT. Remember, I am using ChatGPT for all model, the one that you need to pay for. So subscribe for more features. So here is the prompt that you can use. You can say, give me 10 YouTube video ideas for a channel about personal finance targeting beginners. So here you're targeting your audience are the beginners. You're also targeting the finance people. So if you're working with health section or the niche section, you can just change this prompt to fit your niche so that you get the best output. Now, let's hit enter. When you hit enter, ChatGPT will immediately go ahead and draft for you and give you the output that you need. Look at this. The first one is giving you the budgeting 101, how to create your first monthly budget. Then, so teach viewers how to make a simple budget using the 30, 50, 20, 50, 30, 20 rule. Include examples and free templates. So here, look at this. It has given you different ideas on the topics that you can make your videos on YouTube. So you can even go ahead and request it to write the scripts for you. Then you can easily go through just reading your scripts and creating your videos on YouTube. Then you can go further by adding styles, the tone, the formats, and all that to make sure that all your topics are well written. You can even prompt it to write the scripts. Let's say, for example, provide the scripts for the above topics, like that. Then ChatGPT will go one by one, creating the it is answering inside the converse, and I don't want that. I want it just to answer inside here. So I'll go ahead and say just answer in the chat. So it will go ahead and create for you the script for each topic. Then you can be able now to explain. Look at that. I started with number 1. So budgeting 101. Feel like your money disappears before the month ends? Let's fix that with a simple budget that actually works, even if you're just starting out. So if you're a beginner and you don't know how to start making videos on YouTube, ChatGPT can help you and give you ideas, the topics that you can make your videos on. So what you just need is to identify the niche that you'll be comfortable in. Then you go ahead and start prompting your ChatGPT. It just takes you some few minutes, then you start going through. Look at it. So you will go ahead and make 10 videos out of this because it has provided the scripts for you, it has written the scripts for you, and it has also given you what to say and what not to say. So you continue prompting it. If you want visuals, it will still give you the visuals. Then the second prompt that I want us to go through is you can also request it to give you list 3 or 10 viral YouTube shorts ideas for cooking channel using funny or unexpected ingredients. So you create that. You can even ask it to give you the visuals on that. So look at this. Number 1, I made a pizza with cereal instead of cheese. It worked hard. It worked. So look at this. It has given you a hook. Don't judge me until you try it. So it's given you so many ideas on how to do that. And that's the first thing that you need to do. You have ideas, you get them from ChatGPT. Number 2, we can also talk about the advanced prompting in ChatGPT. So what more personalized results or use advanced prompting? So here, let's say, for example, I want to give ChatGPT to give me the advanced, let me say the complicated stuff. So pretend you are a top YouTube strategist, brainstorm 10 video ideas for a tech channel focused on AI tools with hooks, titles, and CTA suggestions. Look at that. So we'll go ahead and um, let it answer. Look at that. Absolutely. As as a top YouTuber strategist, here are 10 high-performing video ideas for a tech channel focused on AI tools, each with a hook, SEO optimized title, and clear CTA to drive engagement. Look at that. So I let AI plan for my entire day. You have the 5 best free AI tools you are not using yet. So it will give you the best ideas on how to come up with that. So look at that. So you will have content to make sure that you get out, you make the best videos on YouTube. Now you can even ask it to improve your existing ideas. Like for example, you've created ideas before. So here's my ideas, productivity hacks for students, make it 10 times faster, better. 10 times better. So look at that. It goes ahead and upgrades your ideas into different ways. It gives you suggestions. It gives you the hacks, the short description, and the viral elements that you need in your video. Now, the next point that I want us to talk about in using ChatGPT to make sure that you get the best output is organizing your ideas. ChatGPT, once you have a bunch of ideas, organize them. I like to use Google Sheets or Notion. You can ask ChatGPT to turn the ideas into a table or with columns or something like that. So let's say, for example, you have different ideas and you want to organize them and put them in a good way. So let's look at this prompt. It says turn those 10 video ideas into a content calendar for the next 4 weeks. So it goes ahead and creates. So make sure you give it the ideas that you want to share so that it can plan for you the best. Then wanting trending ideas, combine ChatGPT with Google Trends or YouTube search suggestions. You just come up with a look. Just come here and prompt your ChatGPT to give you what is trending online, and it can also help you come up with the best output. Look at this. Based on current YouTube trends, give me videos ideas around remote work that are likely to go viral. So it will go ahead and give you the the ideas. Then you can implement your ideas by shooting your videos and also making them. You can also go ahead and post these ideas on your social media platforms, on different platforms. Now that you've seen how powerful ChatGPT can be, try these prompts today and create your next viral hit. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more content hacks, and drop a comment with your channel niche. I will send you customized prompts. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.